Get ready to party with Flat Creek Solutions, your ultimate destination for dumpster rental in Lorena, Texas. Flat Creek Solutions has the groove you need when it comes to keeping your cleanup projects in full swing. With top-notch dumpster rental services and a commitment to making your cleanup a blast, Flat Creek Solutions is the name you can count on to keep the good times rolling. From residential cleanups to construction sites, Flat Creek Solutions is here to ensure your cleanup is the talk of the town. For all your dumpster rental needs, dial the number that brings the fun, 254-307-9211, and let the celebration begin. Remember to visit our website at www.flatcreeksolutions.com to explore our dumpster rental options and join the party. With competitive prices and service that's hotter than a Texas barbecue, Flat Creek Solutions is your go-to choice for dumpster rental in Lorena, Texas. Don't let waste rain on your parade. Reach out to Flat Creek Solutions, and let's turn your cleanup into a fiesta. At Flat Creek Solutions, we know that cleanup parties should be hassle-free and full of fun. That's why we offer a wide variety of dumpster sizes, from small to large, to fit any bash, whether it's a small gathering or a full-blown extravaganza. With smooth delivery and pickup options that keep the party rocking, you can focus on enjoying the moment without any cleanup worries. Let Flat Creek Solutions be your cleanup DJ and spin your waste away with style and flair.